Suddenly the bus stops with a jerk. Oh, the petrol pump. Two buses need to be refilled. So out of six minibuses, two minibuses need to be refilled. Refill means उनमें पेट्रोल डालना है वापस से. The buses stand in a line. सारे के सारे buses line में खड़े हो गए. Children are sticking their necks out to see how diesel is filled in the bus. So children जो है वो उनके लिए कुछ नया है. उनको पेट्रोल पंप पे मिला है जाने के लिए, तो वो देख रहे कि कैसे बसेस में डीजल डालते हैं. Some children have got down to look more closely. कुछ तो नीचे उतर के आके पास में देख रहे हैं. Now the calculation part. Each bus takes about 15 minutes to refill and there are two buses to be refilled. So they stop there for about dash minutes, which means they are late by about dash minutes. So by just to understand, we know that one bus takes 15 minutes to refill and second bus will take another 15 minutes to refill. So totally they are late by 30 minutes. So they were supposed to cover the journey in 2 hours. Now the journey times extended to 2.5 hours. Remember this, children. So let's do the calculation part here. You can write here answer. Time taken to refill one bus is equal to 15 minutes. You can write like this. Okay. Next, time taken to refill. Time taken to refill two buses is equal to any guesses here? Yes, 15 into 2. 15 into 2, that is equal to 30. So it's about time, so we'll write 30 minutes. 30 minutes, alright? Now what we understand from here, so we have to understand that, so they are, so they stop, we'll write here, so they stop there for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes, which means they are late by about 30 minutes or half an hour. They are, which means they are late by about 30 minutes or half an hour. You can say half an hour. Also, you know, children, we write half like this, so we can write half like this, half an hour. Okay. So now time taken to refill one bus is equal to 15 minutes. Time taken to refill two buses is equal to 15 into 2, 30 minutes. So they stop there for about 30 minutes, which means they are late by about 30 minutes or half an hour or 1/2 hour. Now next question is, look in the picture and find the price of 1 liter of diesel. So here we need to find the price of 1 liter of diesel. अगर आप इस पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखोगे तो यहाँ पे टोटल लीटर्स जो है वो 100 दिया हुआ है, इट्स नॉट 1, एंड 3500 जो प्राइस है यहाँ पे, दैट इज द प्राइस ऑफ 100 लीटर्स ऑफ डीजल, एंड द क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट टू फाइंड price of 1 liter of diesel. So we will find it. Next you can see this picture. In this picture this is about petrol. Yes, so here rupees is 175 and liters is 5 and rate per liter is 35 rupees. So यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे 3 है कि कितना हुआ और कितना लीटर्स उन्होंने पेट्रोल खरीदा और 1 लीटर का प्राइस क्या है. लेकिन डीजल के केस में ऐसा नहीं है। डीजल के केस में उसने 1 लीटर ऑफ डीजल का प्राइस नहीं दिया। यहाँ पे 100 लीटर्स डीजल उन्होंने फिल किया और उसका टोटल प्राइस 3500 है एंड हमें पता करना है कि उसका 1 लीटर ऑफ डीजल का प्राइस कितना होगा। सो लेट्स फाइंड द आंसर। You can write here. First we can write the cost of the cost of 100 liters. The cost of 100 liters of what is here? Diesel is here. 100 liters of diesel is equal to how much it is? It is rupees 3500, right? So let's extend this one. Next, we have to find the cost of 1 liter of diesel. So the cost of 1 liter of diesel is equal to, now how we can find, we know the total, right? And the cost of 100 liters of diesel, this much, 3500. Total liters we know and amount we know. So how we can find the cost of 1 liter of diesel? So we have to divide it now here. You divide it or you subtract 100 from 3500 till you get 0. Repeated subtraction. So instead of going for subtraction, it will take more time. We should go for division. So let's divide 3500. Okay, I'll write like this by 100. Also we can write like this, 3500 divide by 100. So what could be the answer? Any guesses? Rupees 35 is the answer. Let's find it. Okay, now we can divide here. Make some space. Put it up like this. Let's divide here. We'll divide here. Let's make a column. What is the number here? Number is 3500 is the dividend. So we write dividend here. Next is divisor. Divisor is 100. So we will write 100 here. Now here we have to go for division. So let's go for multiplication of 100. 100 ones are 100. 100 twos are 200. 100 threes are 300. 100 fours are 400. So 100 fours are 400 is bigger than 350. So we should not go 400. And 100 twos are 200 is much lesser than 350. So we should not go for 200. Next 100 threes are 300. So we should go for 300. So let's write here. 100 threes are 300. Okay, we can put subtraction. So you can tell me the answer. 0 minus 0, 5 minus 0 is 5. So we can put it like this. 3 minus 3 is 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, again 0 minus 0 is 0. So we will write here, this is what we got. Next what we will do, we have to bring the remaining down. So this is 0 is remain over here. So we will bring 0 down. So we'll get another 0. Okay. Now in 100 tables, how many times 500 comes? Great. You people are so brilliant. 5 times. So 100 fives are. Okay. Forget this. We'll take another 5 here. Now if we subtract 0 minus 0 will be 0. Okay, and again 0 minus 0 will be 0. 5 minus 5 will be 0. So which is the reminders? We got the answer. What is the answer? Answer is always the quotient. So quotient is 35. So cost of 1 liter of diesel is equal to rupees 35 is our answer. Okay, this is correct. Next question, we have to get answer. Before answering this question, we have to go for the blue box. Aman has taken as much time to empty himself as one bus is taking to refill. So अमन ने खुद को हल्का करने के लिए he went for a toilet. तो वहाँ पे उसने कितना टाइम लिया? उतना ही टाइम जितना एक बस ने पेट्रोल को रिफिल करने के लिए. So do you remember how much time it is? It is 15 minutes, right? So Aman took 15 minutes to come out of the toilet. So you can write your answer. Let me erase this. Is it possible to erase now? Okay, fine. So let's write the answer here. Aman took 15 minutes to come out of the toilet. Now let's increase the size. Okay, 15 minutes. Or we can write like this, 50 minutes, and put the answer here. Now let's move to the next slide.